Have you ever wondered why your life feels stuck in place, even though you tried to do everything right? The truth is, real transformation doesn't begin with massive action or dramatic change. It starts quietly, with small, consistent habits that seem too simple to matter. But don't be fooled. These tiny daily choices are silently building your future, one moment at a time. It's not the motivation that shapes your life. It's the systems you follow when motivation fades. And if you don't consciously design those systems, you're stuck living by default. Science now shows that your brain is wired to favor efficiency. This means whatever you repeat becomes your automatic setting. If you scroll your phone first thing, it becomes the loop your brain expects. If you take a walk each morning, your body soon craves movement. These habits, whether helpful or harmful, form feedback loops that program your behavior. Every time you repeat an action, you reinforce a mental pathway that makes it easier next time. Over weeks and months, these small paths become highways, and they direct your future. This is the power of compounding habits. 1% better every day may seem like nothing now, but over a year, it compounds to nearly 37 times improvement. The same rule applies to harmful habits. They also compound, just in the wrong direction. Skipping one workout, procrastinating once, or giving in to impulse may not ruin your life. But when it becomes a pattern, it silently shapes your identity. The scariest part? Most people don't realize their habits are running the show until it's too late to reverse them. If you want lasting change, don't chase results. Build better systems. Instead of saying, "I want to read more," say, "After breakfast, I will read 10 minutes." Tie your new habit to an existing one. This is called habit stacking. Make it obvious, easy, and rewarding. Prepare your environment so good habits require less willpower. Leave your book where you can see it. Set your running shoes by the door. The easier it is to act, the more likely it becomes automatic. Discipline isn't about suffering. It's about designing your environment to make success inevitable. And identity plays a powerful role. Don't just try to read, become a reader. Don't just aim to run, become a runner. When your identity shifts, your habits follow effortlessly. Small changes don't look impressive in the moment, but with time, they create results too big to ignore. So ask yourself, what small habit can you start today that your future self will thank you for tomorrow?